So here we are on S&P 5 range, and this is where it's been very interesting, because it's not just the reversal zone on hourly, it is also incredibly powerful level on our long-term charts across the board. What do I think? I think it's incredibly temporary bullish pullback. I think this is the most powerful bearish structure that's only taken a brief pause. But in the room we are trading range charts, and we know better not to acquire a trend position at these levels. Incredibly active day on S&P for trades. Very powerful trade setup on S&P pre-market. What are we witnessing on S&P? What is S&P telling us on long term? Ladies and gentlemen, we are seeing the formations we haven't seen since 2010. With the exception of few bumps on the way, S&P is heading south. Once those bumps that you learn in the course are broken, this will be very critical decision point for this bearish trend. So therefore, if you're trading larger time frames, and this level is broken, which is the end of the minor trend, next level is 1684. After that, the reversal zone will continue as S&P pointing down to 1600 and all the way to 1500 area. So therefore, you have to pay attention to larger time frames before you ever take a trade. When we came to the room, it was incredibly clear that price was doing a bearish correction because bullish trend reached reversal zone 3. So if you acquire a position, you have to recognize at any point buyers will step in. But if you would pay attention to the larger time frames, you would know it's very temporary push to the upside as our weekly chart is incredibly bearish, and here where the sellers step from, because price came to reversal zone on 5 range, just like price came to reversal zone on 1 hour. So let's take a look and let's see what S&P weekly is showing us. Hold on one second, I was actually looking at monthly when I was talking. Weekly. We are out of 5 range trade, and here is the monthly chart. Most powerful bearish structure we had seen since 2010. Very important this week on S&P and the next 2 months. We have not seen such powerful selling pressure since 2010. So respect what larger time frames are telling you, and respect and understand where reversal zones are. When my trade reached reversal zone, it ended here. When my bearish trend came to reversal zone, it staged this push to the upside for about 15 points, just like it's taken a temporary pause as we discussed here, because this is what I expect here. Just bullish correction, and then continuous collapse. As no questions, the daily, weekly, and monthly are very bearish. Therefore, respect and trade what your current charts that you trade is telling you, but pay attention to major trends. So since we had such a spectacular collapse on S&P that started a week ago, it is very important to recognize and respect what price is telling you. And what are we monitoring currently for S&P is the continuation of this move, as sellers are here with vengeance, with incredible power we had not seen since 2008. So again, this is the level that will tell us if the bearish trend will end here. Based on the current structure, it will be only temporary dense, and price will continue much lower down. Then it will fluff and potentially collapse all the way, blasting through 1600 to 1500 area. Do I know how long it will take? No, I don't. It could take a couple of days, it could take a couple of months. I simply know what price is telling me currently. what you're witnessing on the monthly chart is something we had not seen since 2010. Very, very powerful selling after the price giving us a bullish corrections. The sellers continued with vengeance. Incredibly active day on S&P, incredibly powerful selling. Very, very important what will happen for the remainder of the week. And pretty much the next 2 weeks will determine if this is the inception of the bearish trend on very, very important level, which is monthly chart. So we'll keep monitoring the formations, we'll keep giving an updates. What is a good thing? The good thing, since website was not open since 2009, where the powerful bullish rally set up at 900, website is open here. So we'll be monitoring the formations to see if we're catching very powerful bearish rally. Stay tuned.